Hi, my name's Akemi, and I'm about to show you how I spent my first night sleeping in my Prius overnight. It's a solo trip. This is the first time I'm going solo car camping. I've gone solo backpacking before. I'm nervous. This is my first time sleeping in my car. I brought my tent just in case, but I don't know if you can see back there. And I'm headed to the Alabama hills. I think I found a place. One tip for privacy is that you might want to have car shades up. I improvised with these bubble wrap takeout food wrappers, but you can buy them professionally as well. It feels really weird to sleep in the car. I feel a little bit claustrophobic. I'm like, what am I doing? But I did manage to get all the windows covered. The weather is 46 degrees outside, and inside it's a very comfortable 67. In fact, it kind of feels a little too warm, so maybe I'll turn it down a bit. What else? The stars are so beautiful outside. I could have stared up at them forever. I bring a lounge chair so that I can look up at the stars without craning my neck. Good morning! First night after sleeping in my Prius. Quick takeaways about sleeping in my Prius. It was quite warm enough. 65 degrees was the perfect temperature for me in my down sleeping bag, and then just a t-shirt. B, the dashboard lights were really bright, and I didn't realize how bright they would be, so I just threw a jacket over it, which covered it up. The temperature outside during the night went down to 39 degrees, and I was just fine at 65 auto inside. Altogether, I spent $3.48 on gas for one night sleeping in the car. Thanks so much for watching, and tune back in for more adventures sleeping in the Prius.